Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where we always bring you the latest, most exciting, and most honest smartphone updates. Today's launch honestly feels unreal, because Redmi has just shocked the entire smartphone market in 2026 by launching a brand new Redmi smartphone featuring a massive 300 megapixels camera, a gigantic 7500 mAh battery, and all of this at an unbelievable starting price of just 9,500 rupees. Yes, you heard that right. This phone is redefining what budget smartphone really means. Let's start with the design and first impression. Redmi has gone with a premium yet practical look. The phone feels solid in hand, with a sleek matte back finish that resists fingerprints and gives it a flagship vibe. The camera module looks bold and modern, making the phone stand out instantly. Despite the huge battery inside, Redmi has managed to keep the phone well balanced and comfortable to hold. This is the kind of design you expect from phones that cost 3 times more. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight, the 300 megapixels camera. This is absolutely insane for a phone in this price range. The main sensor captures ultra-detailed photos with sharp textures, natural colors, and excellent dynamic range. Daylight photography is outstanding, delivering DSLR-like clarity. Even when you zoom in, images remain crisp and clean. Night photography is equally impressive thanks to advanced AI night mode, which brightens images without ruining details. The camera also performs brilliantly for portrait shots, offering clean edge detection and a beautiful background blur. On the front, the selfie camera is optimized for social media lovers, producing clear, well-lit selfies and smooth video calls. For video creators, this phone supports high-resolution video recording with stable output, making it a dream device for content creators on a budget. Moving on to performance, Redmi has equipped this smartphone with a powerful and efficient processor designed for smooth everyday use and beyond. Whether you are scrolling through social media, watching YouTube, multitasking between apps, or playing popular games, the phone handles everything smoothly. Gaming performance is surprisingly good, with stable frame rates and minimal heating. Combined with generous RAM and fast storage, this device feels fast and responsive even under heavy use. The display is another strong point. You get a large, vibrant screen with sharp resolution and excellent brightness levels. Colors look rich and punchy, making videos, games, and photos look stunning. The smooth refresh rate adds an extra layer of fluidity, making scrolling and animations feel premium. Watching movies or binge-watching web series on this display is a pure joy. Now let's talk about power, because this phone is a true battery monster. The 7500 mAh battery easily lasts more than a full day, even with heavy usage. For normal users, this can stretch to almost 2 days on a single charge. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or using navigation, battery anxiety is completely eliminated. Redmi has also included fast charging support, so even when the battery runs low, you can quickly power it up and get back to your routine. Software-wise, the phone runs on the latest Android-based Redmi UI, offering a clean, smooth, and customizable experience. Features like enhanced privacy controls, smart AI optimizations, and useful customization options make daily usage enjoyable. Redmi has also promised regular updates, which is a big plus in the budget segment. Connectivity features are well covered, including fast 5G support, strong network reception, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all essential sensors. Audio quality is loud and clear, making it great for calls, videos, and music. Now comes the biggest shocker, the price. Launching at just 9,500 rupees, this Redmi smartphone completely destroys the competition. No other phone in this segment offers anything close to a 300 megapixels camera and a 7500 mAh battery together. Redmi has truly delivered a game changer that is perfect for students, gamers, content creators, and everyday users. To sum it up, this Redmi smartphone is not just a budget phone, it's a revolution. Massive camera, unstoppable battery life, smooth performance, premium design, and an unbelievable price make this one of the most attractive smartphone launches of 2026. If you are planning to buy a new smartphone that gives maximum value for money, this Redmi device deserves to be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more exciting smartphone content.